Hey, how's it going, guys? Asad here, and you're gonna learn about fround in the and it's the part of property of math, and it will return the nearest 32 single bit precision float representation of that number. So what we're gonna do is log it on a console, math.log math.fround, use that method and put inside that 5.5. It will be, you are getting 5.5 because it's already a round number. But if you log like I forget that, if you log like um, 5.05, it would be 050063, like that, the nearest round number. It will change into that f round, you can say. In 5 it's 5, and if you giving like minus 0.5, what it gonna do is give you the that in minus, like that. So hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.